Welcome back to the Junk Wax Zone. Another batch of 591 scorecards going down. Looking for a Brodeur primarily. Dave Hannon, Andrew Castles, Tom Fergus, Mike Foligno, Rick Tabaraki, Bill Masterson Trophy, Dave Taylor. We got a Messier, the franchise. Callie Johansson, Dave Reed, Troy Mayette, Wendell Clark, Kurt Giles, Owen Nolan, Brett Hall, Paul Fenton. Put that all up there, I guess. Aaron Broughton, Jeff Bookaboom, Charlie Hootie, Robert Cron, Camby Daniels. We got Theron Fleury and Marty McSorley, season leaders. Plus 48. Boy, that's pretty good, plus 48. We got a season leader, Brett Hall. Put that up there with the other Brett Hall. Oh, we got Hart Memorial Trophy, Brett Hall. Put that up there with the other two Brett Halls. Chris Terreri, Paul Eisbart, Mike Lute, Paul Cavallini, Reggie Lemelin, Scott Pearson, and Rick Tockett. 2 out of 5 down. Stephen Matteau, Ken Linesman, Adam Graves, Dave Hannon, Andrew Castles. We got a LaFleur here. Another Dave Taylor. Another Messier franchise. Callie Johansson, Dave Reed. I think we had this pack just now. David Volek. Oh no, Darren Pupa. We didn't have him before. Wendell Clark, Kurt Giles, and Owen Nolan. Geez, I think out of this stack here, probably what we got. 10 doubles already? They make you work for a set. 91 score. Yeah. Rod Langway, Rick Wamsley, Jimmy Carson, James Patrick, Dave McElwain, Dirk Graham, one of my favorites back in the day. Oh, we got a Gretzky. Nice. Season leader Gretzky. Yves Racine, Bob Erie, Mike Gregg, Michel Petit, Sergio Momesso, Daniel Berthome, Mike McPhee, and a Pierre Turgeon. Final pack. Boy, it'd be nice to get a Brodeur. Gord Murphy, Doug Wilson, and Joe Sakic. We can put that up there. Let's go over top of the Brett Hall over there. Russ Courtnall, Bill Ranford. I think I might have this autographed somewhere. Mikhail Pavanka, Dave Snuggerud, Paul McDermott, Bob McGill, another one I think I got autographed somewhere. Michelle Goulet, Doug Crossman, Peter Ing, Glenn Healy, Dave Capuano, and Joel Otto. Still no Brodeur. We're just going to keep making this pile of score bigger until we get to a Brodeur. Best pull out of the batch, the Gretzky season leader. Always good to see Gretzky. Oh, great. Well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.